All right, here we go. Now, all right. Good afternoon, everyone. This is a recording of the trading that happened on July 7th, 2011. 2011. July 11th. I was looking at 7-Eleven on my notes. July 11th, 2013. Sorry. All right. I'll just give you the results to start out with. Okay. I'll show you the. See, I guess I do show this spreadsheet at the beginning and at the end. We were plus 8 on the Russell. We're plus 33 on crude, plus 8 on gold, minus 5 on copper. It took us 31 minutes and 3 trades to get to the equivalent of 2 points or $100 a contract. This morning we took a total of 12 trades in all. We are currently up $2,132.50 in the live trading room for the month of July. Okay, that's per contract, per unit, 1 contract on each trade. Never trade more than 1 contract on a trade in the live trading room. All right, sliding that off. Now, if you've not taken a free trial with us, go to www.cfrn.net/apply. Sign up for the free trial. In the free trial, you get 5 days in our live trading room, 5 business days in our live trading room. You get access to all the indicators, the charts, the charting package, everything. Everything we have to offer except the members area and the weekly partners meetings. If you are on a trial right now, there is a partners meeting tonight. Okay, you need to become a partner to get into that partners meeting tonight. All right, if you want to become a partner and get into the partners meeting tonight, you should have something in your inbox telling you how to do it. If you don't have that thing in your inbox, that email in your inbox telling you how to become a partner, then just call me at 949-423-6464. It's 949-423-6464. Call me at that number, and I'll tell you how to get into it. Or, because I don't get great reception down here, you can just email us at support@cfrn.net. If you call me, I will get a voicemail, so just leave me a voicemail. If I can't pick it up, okay, I will get back to you at one point or another before the partners meeting tonight. Okay. Now let's just jump into the trades. Okay, on crude oil, we had a bunch of trades on crude today. Crude really jumped around a lot, so you see them all. Some of these were pre-market, so we're not going to go over those. Okay, our very first trade on crude was right here. We had a short trade. Let's see, on that first trade we made 8 ticks. That was our first trade of the morning. We made 8 ticks profit on that trade. Almost made our 2 points. We drew in a box right here and we said it's probably bottoming here. It did bottom, but then it made its way up here and back down here. We ended up taking another trade right in here. I think that was a break even. We followed that up with another trade right here where we made some profit on that. It looks like we made 10 ticks, I think. I think we made 10 ticks on that one. And this might not have been break even. Anyway, we followed that up with another trade right here with a little bit of profit and another one over here with a little bit of profit. Since we closed the live trading room this morning at 11:30, there was another trade right here for this move down, another trade right here for this move down, another trade right over here for this move down. So there was a ton of opportunity on the downside. Then everything changed directions, and you know what? You could have moved up right there and gotten some of that long trade. And again, right there for some of that long trade. And right now you would be... You'd have probably stopped out on this one right here. Okay, that one would have stopped you out. But that was crude oil today. All right, we were up 33 ticks on crude overall. We made nice gains on crude this morning. On the Russell, we didn't have a lot of trades on the Russell, but we did have a couple. A few, it looks like. All right, okay, that's a sign. That was... not counting the pre-market ones. We took a loss in the pre-market. That was the one that you just saw in the video that we took a loss on. We missed this first trade here on the Russell this morning. We missed this trade and this trade on the Russell this morning. There was another one too that was... Oh, that was the pre-market one. Okay. Right in here, we took a trade. We took a break even. Over here, we took another short trade. We took 8 ticks profit out of this move down. Okay, we missed the follow-up here. We missed the long trade there. And as things turned out, there were more trades over here. This was after we closed the morning session down, though. Okay, but there was plenty of opportunity to trade on the Russell. We ended plus 8 ticks. Jumping into the gold. Gold is our next market. Where were we on gold today? Plus 8 ticks, and I believe that was it right there. Yeah, okay. Right here we had a break-even trade. We started the morning out with a break-even. Oops, nope, that was pre-market. Sorry. We started the morning out over here. We missed the long opportunity here. We missed the long opportunity here, and the short there. And then we needed to follow up a lower swing. Right over here, we missed that shorting opportunity. You see all these things that I missed? This is why you guys should be doing better than me. You shouldn't be missing these trades. We missed one there. We took a long over here, and we got 8 ticks profit on that long gold trade. We missed the follow-up trade right here. And then during the break, let's see, I'm looking for a down close below the trend line. Right over here was a short for about 8 ticks. Over here, right here was a long for about 6 ticks, it looks like. And you'd have been out of that at break even at worst, it looks like. All right, that was the gold. We were up 8 ticks on gold this morning. We didn't trade the soybeans, but man, did the soybeans start to move. Let's just take a look at them. You know, they didn't do anything for us in the live trading room this morning. The soybeans didn't do a thing for us. There was a grain report that must have come out today. Now let's just look at the calendar. Today is the 11th. It's the second Thursday. I imagine every second Thursday there's probably a grain report that comes out. Is Bert in here yet? Hey Bert, there was a grain report today, right? I'm guessing. Bert is in here, but he hasn't been very talkative. Anyway, there was obviously something here that pushed the markets around, and there was a ton of movement. Okay, we had nothing in here in the live trading room. Then at noontime, you can see all these bars from there all the way over to here. It was all in 1 minute. So I'm not even going to cover that. All right. Once things slowed down a little bit, you know, you could have gotten long in here a couple of times, a couple of different ways. You could have gotten long right over here. You could have gotten long right there. You could have gotten short right here for about 4 ticks. Could have gotten long there. Let's see. And one final time here that would have stopped you out. Okay, then it flipped down, and you would have been looking for shorts right in here. Was an opportunity to short, and that would have been it on the short side. All right, so there was plenty of opportunity there on the soybeans, but not during the live trading room this morning. Okay, we traded copper this morning, crude oil a whole bunch, gold, the Russell. So let me just show you the copper. We took 2 trades on copper, I think, right? 1 loss and 1 we gained a little bit back. We didn't get any of this because it didn't set up properly for us, but we do have some guys that did get a chunk out of this. You know, we had one of our partners got 47 ticks out of this, possibly using something else that we have in the members area for the partners. All right, and we have other partners who took 22 ticks, I think, on this move down. Anyway, we got a stop out right here for -8 ticks. And we got a gain right here for +3 ticks. That's what we had. We were -5 ticks on copper on the morning. You can see right over here at the end of the morning session there was a long trade. Frank, I know you were in somewhere else in here. You might have even been in way down here. But there was a long trade right in here. Okay, on that move up. And now it's given another opportunity right here for a 4-tick gain. Another opportunity right here for about 8 or 10 ticks. And that's all on copper. Copper's $12.50 a tick, so 8 or 10 ticks here is equivalent to 2.5 points on the ES. Right now it's getting in a position so it's going to move short. Okay, it's setting up a possible short trade in there. All right. Now I'm going to move the copper off. Natural gas was something else that partners traded today. I didn't trade natural gas, but natural gas had the inventories come out this morning at 10:30 and after 10:30. I'm not going to cover everything before it because I wasn't really paying attention to it. But after 10:30, there were a ton of opportunities here, and I know some of our partners got a bunch of natural gas right here. There was a short trade right there. There was a short trade there. A short trade there. In here, the divergence had all switched around. There was a long trade right here that would have lost. Okay, you would have lost 8 ticks on that trade right there. But then it flipped around again and gave another shorting opportunity there. Flipped around again, and you would have lost again right there. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the natural gas on the morning. I wanted to show the euro. Now the euro had a bunch of movement too. Okay, there were a couple of them that we went over in the live trading room, right in here. And earlier on in the morning there was some that we went over. Okay, in there. Now, there were more trades here on the euro. There were a bunch more. There's a down close right there you could have shorted. There were those trades right here, and then in the live trading room, during the period of the live trading room, there were more trades. You could have shorted right there. You could have shorted right there. Once, you could have actually shorted right here, and that would have stopped you out. Change directions. Yeah, you're looking for divergence, and an up close right here. Could have gone long right in there, and long right in there. All right. Then change directions again, and you're looking for the down close below the trend line. That would have been right there, no trade. That was it. That was pretty much it. All right, so that was the 6E. That was it, guys. That was pretty much it on the morning for today, which is July 11th, 2013. I'll show the spreadsheet again, just so you can take a look at it. Now, tomorrow morning, I'm going to do another recap of today, and the recap that I do tomorrow morning is going to be a recap of today's results, and it's going to be played tomorrow afternoon. The other thing that you're going to see in these recaps that we're doing, guys, is you may see me put live trades on from the partners morning session. You may see me put live trades on as well. So that's something else that you can look for in these recaps. The first one that I had done this week was on Monday, and it ended up being 29 minutes long, and it had some good live trades in it. It had one trade that went for, what was it, 39 ticks in gold, I think. But unfortunately, that one didn't convert well. I can play it for you, and but I can't put it out on the YouTube, and I can't put it on Vimeo, so it's hard to transfer it. Anyway, and Tuesdays I think we did 37 minutes, but a lot of that was probably not going to be anything that you could hear because I was doing a bunch of things. I really focused on today's to try to get today's done and right. That's why it was only 8.5 minutes long. I'll try to do the same thing tomorrow and get the recording done and make it not too long. But I do want to try to get live trades in there for you too, so you can see some live trades. For those of you guys who are in here who have never been on the trial, or who are in here who have never taken the trial, never seen any of this stuff before. Anyway, that's where we're going to wrap it up. So far in the month of July, we're up $2,132.50. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading days. So that puts us at roughly, if you divide 2132 by 8, we're over $200 a day. So we're averaging better than 4 points a day, okay, on the ES. 4 ES points a day. Our goal is to make a minimum of 2 points a day. Okay. With that, I'm going to wrap up this recording and